Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install GoDaddy for domain registration, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the GoDaddy website at www.godaddy.com. On the home page, locate the search bar. Enter your desired domain name into the search bar. Click the search icon or hit enter to check the availability of the domain. If your domain is available, you will see it listed on the results page. Click the Add to Cart button. If the domain is not available, you will see alternative suggestions. Review the alternatives and select an option if desired, or adjust your search. Once you have your domain in the cart, click Continue to Cart. Review your cart items to ensure everything is correct. You may see options for additional services like hosting or email. Decide if you want any add-ons and choose accordingly. Scroll down to see the Continue to Checkout button. Click on Continue to Checkout to proceed. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If you are a new customer, select the option to create an account. Fill in the required information to create your GoDaddy account. Once your account is set up or you have logged in, you will be directed to the payment page. Enter your payment information. Review your order summary to double-check the details. Check for any promotional codes you may want to apply. After confirming everything is correct, click the Complete Purchase button. You will receive an email confirmation once the payment is successful. Log back into your GoDaddy account to manage your newly registered domain. From your account dashboard, navigate to the Domains section. Here, you can configure settings such as DNS management and privacy protection. Make sure to explore options to enhance your domain's security. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the GoDaddy interface. Your domain registration is now complete, and you can start building your online presence. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.